हैव अ गुड डे। वेलकम टू ब्लेसे इंस्टीट्यूट। लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने पीएमआई के दो सम्स देखे थे। दो सम्स मैंने आपको होमवर्क में दिए थे। होप कि आपको वो आ गए होंगे, या फिर अगर कोई इश्यू है, इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट, मेरा नंबर वहीं पे लिखा हुआ है, आप वहीं से मुझे कॉल या मैसेज से डाउट सॉल्व करवा सकते हो। आज दो सम्स और मैं करवाने जा रहा हूँ। हर एक लेक्चर में हम कोई ना कोई नई मेथड से सम करेंगे। नाउ वी हैव टू सम्स। फर्स्ट इज दिस 1 plus 3 plus 3 square. So it is our Pn statement. Pn according to first lecture, 1 plus 3 square till 3 raised to n minus 1, that is 3 raised to n minus 1 by 2. This we have to prove. This is our statement. The meaning of statement is that sum of first n numbers or sum of first n terms is something something. Sum of first n terms, say always sum of first n terms. The meaning of Pn, this is the first kind of sums. Remember it. We have four kinds sums, right? So this is the first kind. The sum of first n terms is something something. So meaning of Pn is sum of first n terms is something something. If we write Pk, then sum of first k terms is something something. If we write P2, then sum of first two terms is something something. So what is the way? This is the way. Prove P1 is true, then accept Pk is true, and then prove Pk plus 1 is true. This is the theory. लास्ट लेक्चर में मैंने आपको करवाई थी, वहीं से स्टार्ट करते हैं. P1 to prove P1 is true, taking n is equal to 1. So what will be the meaning of P1? Sum of first one term, that is 1, in RHS, taking n is equal to 1. So 3 raised to 1 minus 1 upon 2, that is 2 by 2, that is 1. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. Therefore P1 is true. Let Pk be true. If Pk is true, then the statement Pk will be, see, Pk means taking n is equal to k. Remember it, nth term is leader of this sum, leader of this sequence. Remember it, nth term is leader. It leads whole sum, it leads whole sequence. If we take n is equal to 1, it will give first term. If we take n is equal to 2, it gives second term. If we take n is equal to 3, it gives third term. If we take n is equal to k, it gives kth term. So meaning of Pk is sum of first k terms is something something. Sum of first k terms मतलब n के बदले हमें लेना है k. चलो पूरी सीक्वेंस में n के बदले k टिकाओ. So 1 plus 3 plus 3 square plus till 3 raised to k minus 1, that is 3 raised to k minus 1 upon 2. It is our first result. Now to prove Pk plus 1 is true, we have to prove chalo what will be the meaning of Pk plus 1. The meaning of Pk plus 1, see, there are four kinds. It is first kind. The meaning of Pn is what? Sum of first n terms is something something. So what will be meaning of Pk plus 1? Sum of first k plus 1 terms is something something. But when we add first k plus 1 terms, there will be first k terms. In sum of k terms, if we add kth term, वो बनेगा k plus 1 terms का एडिशन. So that सबसे पहले हमें k terms तो टिका ही देनी है. Means 1 plus 3 square प्लस 3 रेज टू k माइनस 1, ये k टर्म्स हो गई. नाउ nth टर्म इज लीडर. If we want k plus 1th term, taking k plus 1 in place of n, it will give k plus 1th term. See, taking n is equal to k plus 1, so k plus 1 minus 1 will be k, equal to what will be RHS? RHS में भी आप k plus 1 लो, so 3 raised to k plus 1 minus 1 by 2. So to prove pk plus 1 is true, we have to prove this equal to this. So we will start from here. So from LHS, what is LHS? 1 plus 3 square plus 3 raised to k minus 1 plus 3 raised to k. But the result number 1 is saying sum of first k terms is this. So taking this sum of first k terms, मतलब 3 raised to k minus 1 upon 2 plus 3 raised to k by 1 from the result number 1. Now 2 is LCM, taking 2 is LCM, so 3 raised to k minus 1 plus 2 into 3 raised to k upon 2. Now see, these are the like terms. 2 times 3 raised to k plus 1 time 3 raised to k will be 3 times 3 raised to k minus 1 upon 2. Now by the law of indices, bases are same, relation is multiplication, addition of exponent, so it will be 3 raised to k plus 1 minus 1 by 2, and it is our RHS. Therefore p k plus 1 is true, and therefore pk is true implies pk plus 1 is true, and therefore pn is true for all n belongs to n. Clear point? Clear? Okay, so note down. See this second sum, Pn, same result, 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 till n into n plus 1 equal to n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 2. This we have to prove. Sum of first n terms is this. First kind की सम चल रहा है कि भाई sum of first n terms is something something. पर यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा चेंज है कि देखो in first term there are two terms 1 and 2. In second term also there are two terms. In third term also there are two terms till nth term. The nth term is our leader. Remember it. If we take n equal to 1, it will give first term. If we take n equal to 2, it will give second term. If we take n equal to 3, it will give third term. मतलब it is leader of the sum, right? चलो for P1 taking n is equal to 1. What will be the P1? The meaning of P1 will be sum of first one term, that is 1 into 2, that will be 2. चलो RHS. In RHS taking n is equal to 1. 1 into 1 plus 1 is 2 into 1 plus 2 is 3 upon 3. Sorry, यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर में 3 शायद है. See in denominator there is 3. So ये 3 चल बसे means 2. Therefore LHS equal to RHS, and therefore P1 is true. Let PK be true. Same way P1 true है ऐसा प्रूव करो, PK true है ऐसा एक्सेप्ट कर लो, and then prove PK plus 1 is true. चलो what will be PK? PK के लिए हमें पूरे स्टेटमेंट में n के बदले k टिकाना है, that will be pk, and the meaning of pk will be sum of first k terms is something something. So 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 till k into k plus 1 is k into k plus 1 into k plus 2 by 3. Let pk be true. So it is our pk जिसका हम यूज कर सकेंगे आगे. To prove pk plus 1 is true, to prove pk plus 1 is true, we have to prove chalo what will be pk plus 1. The meaning of pk plus 1 is sum of first k plus 1 terms, but when we add sum of first k plus 1 terms, when we add first k plus 1 terms, so k terms तो होगी ही वहां पे, so ये तो टेका ही दो, मतलब 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus it is kth term, and then k plus 1th term देगा कौन, leader. Who is leader? nth term. In nth term, taking n is equal to k plus 1, it will be k plus 1 into k plus 2. So what will be RHS? Same. Taking n is equal to k plus 1 in RHS, it will be k plus 1 plus k plus 2 plus k plus 3 upon 3. This we have to prove. To prove pk plus 1 is true, we have to prove this equal to this. So start from LHS. What is LHS? See, LHS is 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus k into k plus 1 and plus k plus 1th term plus k plus 1 into k plus 2. But by result number 1, we know that the sum of first k terms is this. So taking this equal to k into k plus 1 into k plus 2 by 3 plus k plus 1th term means k plus 1 into k plus 2. Now 3 will be LCM. So k into k plus 1 into k plus 2 plus 3 times k plus 1 into k plus 2 by 3. So k plus 1 into k plus 2 becomes common, that k plus 1 into k plus 2, then बचेगा क्या, k and 3. So it will be k plus 3 by 3, which is our RHS. वही तो लाना था, यही रहा नहीं, हो गया. Therefore p k plus 1 is true, and therefore pk is true implies pk plus 1 is true, and therefore pn is true for all n belongs to n. Over. So getting, so make a note. सो जैसे सम्स हम लिखी उसके जैसे ही दो सम्स मैं आपको होमवर्क में दे रहा हूँ, नोट डाउन कर लो प्लीज. ये दोनों सम्स आपको होमवर्क में करने हैं. इसी टाइप के अलग अलग लेक्चर में आपको अलग अलग टाइप के सम्स मिलेंगे. सो आज यहाँ तक रखते हैं हम. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में यही मेथड चलेगी, बट देयर विल बी सम डिफरेंट सम्स. सो यही मेथड के सम्स चलेंगे. सो फिर से परसों. ओके, सी यू, टाटा.